In this video, we will learn how to use subtotal in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here used data with the total row 9995. So I'm using here the subtotal on full data. So I want the subtotal amount as per the location wise. Means I want the south location, total all south location amount, total subtotal I want as same as other location also, west location, central location. So let's see how it's used. First select the full data, press the Ctrl A, then go to the data tab. In outline group have option subtotal. Just click on it. The one dialog box is open. Here you see the first option, add each change in row ID. So I don't want to use here the row ID because I want the subtotal as per the location. So I select here the location. Then I want the amount in sum. If you want the amount in count, average, maximum, minimum, you can select the function as per your requirement. So I want here sum because I want the subtotal in sum amount. Okay, in total amount, not in average, not in minimum and maximum. Then here I select the which amount, which column you want to get subtotal. So I want select here the profit one. So I, I want the subtotal amount of profit column. So here I select the profit column. Okay. Then click on OK. Now wait for the few seconds. Data will convert it in subtotal. So wait for few seconds. So here you see data is ready with the subtotal as per the location. But here you see location is not getting the one time. If I select the south one, the south is taken here two subtotal of south. Then again here show the south. Again here one south line available. Here also taken here subtotal of south. Then most of the location is repeated again. So why this showing again subtotal? I want only south location subtotal, all south location, then west location, east location and central location. But here not that way get the subtotal. So why this not getting every location one time subtotal? Because we not sort data as per location. The data is not sort. So before use subtotal, you have to sort column those you want subtotal. Okay. So when you here you see three option. When I click the first option, here you see the grand total of total profit. In second option, have every location wise total grand total show here. South location, west location, but here so many time repeat the same location because data is not sort before using the subtotal. Okay, in third option you see here all data is ungroup. Okay, now I again use the control Z and I use here the subtotal again after sort data as per the location. Okay, so let's see, I used here Control Z to back to the normal data. Now I use the sort option to for location column and then I use the subtotal. Okay, first select the full data, Control A, then go to the data tab, click on the sort option. Here select the sort by location. So I select here the location, then here I select the A to Z. Okay, okay, then here you see the all location is a sort A to Z way. Okay, now you can use the subtotal. Again select the full data, go to the data tab, click on the subtotal option and here already select the location, sum and profit and click on OK. Here you see data is subtotal as per the location. Here you see when I click on the first option, the grand total here, When I click the second option, only 4 location subtotal show here. Okay, and when I click the third option, all over data show here with the subtotal as per the location. Here you see the central location subtotal show here. This is a central location subtotal, then east location subtotal, then west, then. So this is a way you can use the subtotal option to get the subtotal as per the location, as per the, you can use the as per the category. Here also I can use, if you want the category wise subtotal, then you can you choose the category column and sort them, and then you can use the subtotal option. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.